Hello everyone, welcome back to Success Mantra. In this video, we will work out some problems in rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Before we begin, let's refresh what we have learned in the previous video. That is, a rational number decimal expansion will be terminating if the numerator and denominator of the rational number are coprimes and the denominator prime factorization must be of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Decimal expansion of a rational number is non-terminating, repeating, or recurring if the numerator and denominator are not coprimes and the denominator is not of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Keep this in mind before starting our problems. Our first question is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. First question is 13 divided by 3125. 3125 can be expressed as 5 raised to 5. So the denominator is of the form 5 raised to n. So it is terminating. Second is 17 by 8. 8 is 2 cube. Here also it is of the form powers of 2, that is terminating. Third question is 64 divided by 455. That is the denominator of the form 5, 7, 13. So instead of 2 and 5, here comes the factors 3 and 13. So it is non-terminating, repeating. Fourth question is 15 divided by 1600. On simplification, we get 3 divided by 2 raised to 6 into 5. It is of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. So it is terminating. Fifth question is 29 divided by 343. Denominator is 7 raised to 3, which is not of the right way. So it is non-terminating, repeating. Then 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. So it is terminating. Then 129 divided by 2 square into 5 raised to 7 to 7 raised to 5. It is not terminating because 7 should not be coming in the denominator. Eighth question is 6 divided by 15. 6 is 2 into 3 and 15 is 3 into 5. We cancel 3 and 3. We get 2 by 5. So the denominator is 5. So it is terminating. Ninth question is 35 divided by 50. That is 5 into 7 by 2 into 5 into 5. Cancel 5 and 5. We get 7 divided by 2 into 5. Denominator of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. So it is terminating. 10th question is 77 divided by 210. On simplification, we get 11 divided by 2 into 3 into 5. 3 is coming in the denominator. So it is non-terminating, repeating. So moving on to our next question. Write down the decimal expansion of the rational numbers which have terminating decimal expansion. This is a continuation of a previous question. So the first one is 13 by 3125. We will write it as 13 by 5 raised to 5. In order to get in the rational form, we need to multiply it with the denominator which is missing here. So the denominator should be in the form of 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So here 2 raised to a factor is missing over here. So we multiply it with 2 having the same power of 5. So multiply numerator and denominator with 2 raised to 5. So we get 13 into 32 divided by 5 into 2, the whole raised to 5. 5 into 2 whole raised to 5 is 10 raised to 5. So we get 416 divided by, it is 1 lakh, and on arranging the decimal place. 1 lakh means 5 zeros are there. So there should be 5 points next to the decimal point. So it is 0.00416. Now the next one is 17 by 8. 17 by 8 can be written as 17 by 2 cube. So here 5 is missing. So multiply numerator and denominator with 5 having the same power of 2. So multiplying with 5 cube, numerator and denominator, rearranging, we get 2125 by 1000, that is 2.215. 15 by 1600, we can write it as 2 raised to 6 into 5 square. Multiply numerator also with 5 raised to 4 in order to make it same degree, 5 raised to 6. We get 9375 divided by 10 lakh, on rearranging 0.009375. Then 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Degrees are different. We need to make 5 also, 5 cube. So multiply 5 numerator and denominator. So we get 23 into 5 by 2 cube into 5 cube. On rearranging, we get 115 by 1000, that is 0.115. Next one is 6 by 50. That is 2 into 3 by 3 into 5. Cancelling 3 and 3 numerator and denominator, we get 2 by 5. That is 5 only in the denominator. So multiply with 2 numerator and denominator. So we get 4 by 10, that is 0.4. Then 35 by 50. 5 into 7 by 2 into 5 into 5. Cancelling 5 on numerator and denominator, we get 7 by 2 into 5. So denominator is in the normal form. 2 and 5 are there. So we get 7 by 10, that is 0.7. So moving on to the last question in this session, that is, the following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational, and of the form P by Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? So first is 43.123456789. It can be represented as how many points are there after decimal? There are 9 points. So it will be 1 followed by 9 zeros. So we can write the number divided by 10 raised to 9. 10 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to 9. So 43.1234567 is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are coprimes, and the prime factorization of Q is in the form of 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Second question is 0.120, 1200, 12000, 1200000. So from the question it is clear that it is non-terminating. But is it repeating? No, because first is 120, then comes 1200, then 12000. That is 0 is increasing every time when it is repeating. So it is non-repeating or non-recurring. So we can say that since the given decimal expansion is non-terminating and also non-recurring, it is an irrational number. Therefore, we cannot write it in the form of P by Q, and we cannot find the prime factorization of 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m for Q. Next one is 43.123456789 bar. What does this bar represent? This bar represents that particular portion is repeating. That is, it is given as 43.123456789, 123456789, etc. So the decimal expansion is non-terminating and also it is repeating or recurring. So the given number is a rational number. We can express it in P by Q form and we get the prime factorization of Q as 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. So we came to the end of this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the comment box. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel in order to know more about this class 10 mathematics.